Imagine this, in just 7 days from today, you could have your very first digital product live, ready to sell, ready to build passive income, and ready to finally turn your knowledge or ideas into something real. No tech overwhelm, no fancy degrees, no waiting for the perfect time. Welcome to Opportunity Economy, the channel that turns ideas into digital income for SMEs, beginners, retirees, and professionals, pivoting without a degree or prior experience. We don't believe in hustling harder. We believe in building smarter. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step, day by day, through how to create your first digital product in just 1 week. By the end, you'll not only know exactly what to create, but you'll have a finished product you can start sharing with the world. If that sounds exciting, hit subscribe, drop me a comment with the word product, and let's dive in. The roadmap. Here's how we'll break this down. Day 1, choose your product idea. Day 2, validate your idea. Make sure people will pay for it. Day 3, outline the content. Day 4, build it using beginner-friendly tools. Day 5, polish and package it. Day 6, set up a simple sales system. Day 7, launch it to your first audience. This is designed to be beginner-friendly, no degree, no tech headaches, just action steps you can take each day. I will also be giving you a free digital product launch toolkit that contains a 7-day planner, starter kit checklist, and 1-page quick start guide, so don't worry about taking notes. Day 1, choose your digital product idea. This is the step where most beginners get stuck. What do I even make? The truth is, digital products are simply packaged knowledge or solutions. They can be ebooks or guides, templates, mini courses or workshops, checklists or planners, toolkits. For beginners, I recommend starting with the fastest to build formats, ebooks, checklists, or templates. Why? Because they don't require video editing, expensive software, or long production time. Beginner-friendly analogy. Think of your digital product as a recipe card. You're just writing down your special way of solving a problem, something you already know, but packaging it so someone else can use it. Exercise for day 1. Write down 3 problems you've solved in your life or career. Circle the one you feel most confident teaching. Translate that into a simple product idea, e.g., budget planner template, 10 recipes for busy moms, beginner's guide to AI tools, AI tool hack. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to brainstorm 10 product ideas based on your skills. Day 2, validate your idea. Now that you have an idea, don't skip this step. Validation is how we make sure people will actually buy it. Here's how you do it in under an hour. 1. Search Amazon Kindle or Etsy. Look up your idea. Are there similar products? That's a good sign. It means there's demand. 2. Check Google Trends. Type in your product topic to see if interest is growing. 3. Social media polls. Post on your Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram stories. If I made a product, would you be interested? Beginner analogy. Validation is like taste testing a recipe before serving the whole meal. You don't want to spend a week cooking something nobody wants to eat. If at least 5 to 10 people raise their hands or show interest, you've got a green light. Mini exercise for day 2. Post 1 validation poll today. DM or email 3 to 5 friends and ask, would this product help you? Note the exact language they use. This becomes your marketing copy later. AI tool hack. Use Answer the Public or ChatGPT to gather real questions people are asking about your topic. These questions become the backbone of your product content. Day 3, outline your product. Now that you've got a validated idea, it's time to map out the content. This is where most people overcomplicate. They think they need 200 pages or a Hollywood-level video course. The truth? Simplicity sells. Your product should deliver 1 clear transformation. That's it. Here's how to outline fast. 1. Start with the end result. Ask, when someone finishes this, what should they be able to do? 2. Break that into 3 to 5 steps or sections. 3. Add a simple intro and conclusion. Example 1. If you're making a beginner budget planner, your outline might be Section 1, write down your income. Section 2, track your expenses. Section 3, create a savings bucket. Section 4, review weekly. Example 2, if your product is a 10 AI prompts for social media guide, your outline could be Part 1, what AI prompts are. Part 2, 10 plug-and-play prompts. Part 3, how to tweak them for your brand. Beginner analogy. Think of this step like creating the table of contents in a cookbook. You don't need the recipes yet, but you need to know what chapters exist. AI tool hack. Use ChatGPT to generate a product outline. Just type, create a 5-section outline for an ebook on topic. Boom, you've got a structure. Day 4, build your product. Here's where the fun begins. It's time to actually make the product. And don't worry, today's tools make this ridiculously beginner-friendly. Step 1, choose the right format. Ebook or guide, use Canva or Google Docs. Canva even has ready-made templates for ebooks. Checklist or planner. Canva again, it's drag and drop, templates, Google Sheets, Notion, or Canva. Mini course, Loom, Zoom recordings, or even a voiceover slide deck. Step 2, create your first draft. Write short, clear sentences. Use bullet points, not essays. Add visuals, icons, screenshots, charts. Step 3, don't get stuck in perfectionism. Your first product is a minimum viable product, MVP, a version that's good enough to solve the problem and can be improved later. Beginner analogy, think of this like cooking your first dish. The goal isn't to be Gordon Ramsay on day 1, it's to serve something tasty that people enjoy. You can season and refine later. AI tool hack. Use Grammarly to clean up grammar and flow. Use Canva AI Magic Write to fill in text or suggest phrasing. If it's templates, use Notion AI to pre-fill instructions for users. Day 5, package your product. Now you've built your product. Congratulations, but before we move on to selling it, let's package it so it looks polished and professional. Here are the key packaging steps. 1. Design a simple cover or title page. Canva has free ebook cover templates. Add your product name plus a subtitle, promise-driven. Example, Budget Boss, a simple 4-step planner for beginners. 2. Save in the right format. Guides, templates, and planners, save as PDF. Templates in Google Sheets or Notion, share as a view-only link. Mini courses, export slides or upload videos to a simple course platform like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Google Drive with shared links. 3. Add your name or brand. Even if it's just text on the cover, claim ownership. Beginner analogy, think of packaging as wrapping a gift. The wrapping doesn't change what's inside, but it makes people excited to open it. AI tool hack, use Canva's brand kit, free with Pro, or use color palettes from coolers.co to apply consistent fonts and colors so your product looks cohesive. By the end of day 5, you have 1. A completed product. 2. A polished cover or package. 3. A professional format ready to deliver. And that, my friend, means you're just 2 days away from launching your first digital product. Day 6. Set up a simple sales system. Now that you've got a packaged product, it's time to set up your sales system. Don't panic. This isn't about building a complicated website or spending thousands on tech. We're going to keep it simple. Here are 3 beginner-friendly ways to sell. Option 1, Gumroad, free low cost. Upload your PDF or link. Set your price. Gumroad gives you a product page you can share instantly. Option 2, PayHip, great for beginners. Similar to Gumroad, but with more flexibility for discounts and bundles. Option 3, Google Drive plus PayPal Venmo. Share your product link privately. When someone pays you, email them the access link. Beginner analogy, think of this step like setting up a lemonade stand online. You don't need a whole store. You just need a table, sales page, a picture, your product, and a way to collect money, payment link. AI tool hack. Use Canva's smart mockups to create mockup images of your product, like an ebook shown on a laptop screen or a planner shown on a tablet. These visuals instantly make your product feel premium. Quick checklist for day 6. Upload your product to a platform. Write a simple product description, what problem it solves, who it's for, why it's different. Add 1 to 2 mock-up visuals. Test your checkout link. By the end of today, you'll have a live sales page ready for launch. Day 7, launch your product. Today's the big day, launching your product into the world. This is where a lot of beginners freeze, but remember, you've already done the hardest work. Here's how to launch without overthinking. 1. Tell your inner circle first. Share with friends, family, or colleagues who might support you. Early wins matter. 2. Post on your social media. Don't overcomplicate. Just say, I just launched my first digital product. It's a type of product that helps audience achieve result. Check it out here, link. 3. Join beginner-friendly groups, Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, Reddit forums. Share value first, then your product. 4. Offer a launch deal. Example, first 10 buyers get 50% off or free bonus content. Beginner analogy. Launching is like throwing a birthday party for your product. You don't need everyone to show up. You just need a few guests to make it special, and the momentum builds from there. AI tool hack. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write launch posts and emails in different tones. Example, casual for Facebook, professional for LinkedIn, hype for Instagram. By the end of day 7, you've launched, you're live, and you've taken your first real step into digital business. Bonus tips for success. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you some bonus tips that will save you a ton of headaches. 1. Price simply. Start at $7, $17, or $27. Keep it affordable but valuable. 2. Collect feedback early. Ask your first buyers what they loved and what could be better. Use this to improve. 3. Don't stop at 1. Your first product is proof you can do it. Once you've built one, you can build 2, 3, or even bundle them. 4. Think evergreen. Choose topics that stay relevant year-round so your product keeps selling long after launch. Beginner analogy. Think of your first product like planting a seed. It may be small today, but if you water it with attention and keep learning, it can grow into a forest of income streams. Congratulations, you now know how to create and launch your first digital product in just 7 days. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Drop a comment below and tell me what's the first product you're going to create. And if you know someone who's been talking about starting an online business, share this video with them. They'll thank you later. Don't forget, I've created a free companion guide, the Digital Product Launch Toolkit. It's linked below. Just download it and follow along. It has templates, checklists, and extra resources to make this journey even easier. Remember, you don't need a degree, you don't need years of experience, you just need the right system. And now, you've got it. I'll see you in the next video titled 10 AI-powered marketing hacks to save time and boost sales. Click the link to go straight to the video.